Get ready to feel the need for speed. The 2024 Nissan GTR has arrived, and it's the ultimate sports car for thrill seekers and speed demons. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, this car is sure to turn heads and leave other cars in the dust. Buckle up and get ready for a ride that will take your breath away. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the design, performance, engine, speed, and price of the 2024 Nissan GTR, so you can see why this car is the ultimate driving machine. Before we delve in, take a minute to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Nissan has unveiled the 2024 Nissan GTR, the latest version of its iconic sports car. The new GTR boasts a stunning design and impressive performance capabilities that are sure to delight car enthusiasts around the world. Let's look into its features one after the other. Design. The 2024 Nissan GTR is a sight to behold with its stunning and aerodynamic design. The car features a sleek and jaw-dropping front fascia that boasts a new grille and bumper design, which perfectly complements its sporty look. The GTR's front-end design incorporates Nissan's signature V-motion grille, which gives the car a distinctive and recognizable appearance. The car's body has been updated with more aerodynamic elements to improve its downforce and stability at high speeds, ensuring maximum performance and handling. The GTR's rear end features new taillights and a redesigned bumper that perfectly complements the front-end design too. The GTR is available in a range of eye-catching colors, including jet black, pearl white, and Bayside blue, each of which enhances the car's already stunning design. With its bold and dynamic design, the 2024 Nissan GTR is sure to turn heads and capture attention wherever it goes. Performance. The 2024 Nissan GTR is a high-performance sports car that is designed to deliver exceptional driving dynamics and handling. The car is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces a staggering 710 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers smooth and lightning-fast shifts, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The GTR's advanced all-wheel drive system, which is tuned specifically for high-performance driving, distributes power to all four wheels, ensuring maximum traction and stability on the road. To ensure maximum stopping power, the GTR comes equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes, which provide excellent braking performance and heat dissipation, even under extreme driving conditions. The car's advanced electronic stability control system, which is designed to keep the car on track even in the most challenging driving conditions, further enhances its safety and handling. Engine. At the heart of the 2024 Nissan GTR lies a powerful 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that has been specially designed to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. The engine produces a staggering 710 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful engines in its class. The engine features advanced technology such as plasma-sprayed bores, which improve efficiency and reduce friction, ensuring that the engine performs at its best while reducing wear and tear. The GTR's engine has also been upgraded with a new exhaust system that not only enhances its performance, but also provides an even more exhilarating driving experience. The engine is paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts and precise control over gear selection. The transmission features paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel, allowing drivers to shift gears without taking their hands off the wheel, providing a more engaging and immersive driving experience. With its advanced engine technology, the 2024 Nissan GTR is capable of achieving breathtaking speeds and delivering an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're taking the car out on the track or driving it on the open road, the GTR's engine is sure to impress with its power, efficiency, and reliability. Speed. The 2024 Nissan GTR is a high-performance sports car that is designed to deliver breathtaking speeds and acceleration. The car is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. With its twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 710 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque, the GTR has a top speed of 220 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market today. The GTR's advanced aerodynamic design also plays a significant role in its impressive speed and performance. The car's body features a range of aerodynamic elements, including the new grille and bumper design, which helps to reduce drag and improve downforce, providing greater stability at high speeds. Price: the 2024 Nissan GTR is a premium sports car that comes with a premium price tag. The car starts at $113,540, which makes it one of the more expensive cars in its class. However, the car's impressive performance capabilities and stunning design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who is passionate about driving. Thanks for watching our video about the 2024 Nissan GTR. This exceptional sports car features a sleek and aerodynamic design, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. With a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, all-wheel drive system, and tuned suspension, the GTR is capable of delivering a thrilling driving experience. While it may come with a hefty price tag, the 2024 Nissan GTR is a worthy investment for anyone who loves driving and wants to experience the thrill of a high-performance sports car. If you're yet to like our video, take a minute to do so. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel too and turn on notifications. You definitely don't want to miss out on mind-blowing videos like this one. We hope you enjoyed learning about the GTR, and we'll see you at the next one.